Hello, Tony. Victorio Calero live for Real Madrid television. It's been 410 matches with these t-shirts, with Real Madrid t-shirt. You just won your title number 20, Copa del Rey, last Saturday. So what are the keys? He plays well, scores. Defense is good. What is
Tony Kroos, Real Madrid defensive midfielder, speaks here towards the next match of the UEFA League, the second game in London, and of course he uses to say that it's a time now to think about the next match. The time now to think about that match, and he uses to say that the 90 minutes at of course Santiago Bernabeu finished, and now they are focused. They just focus to face the opponent in the next match of the Premier League. As in one way or another, Tony Kroos says they know well how to encounter Manchester City. They know well how to face them because they have always been meeting with them in different football tournaments, especially in UEFA Champions League, and the history defends Real Madrid Football Club. The history defends them in one way or another, and in fact this defensive midfield of the Real Madrid says it's a time now to show the world how Real Madrid is bigger. It's time now to show the world how Real Madrid has a quality player, and he believes that they are going to encounter them, they are going to face them, and it should be quite clear that Real Madrid has the best football players and has a quality football players. The same to the Manchester City, as he shows here the sense of respecting Manchester City players. Tony Kroos says also Manchester City has dangerous players, fantastic players, and it should be quite clear that it's the time now to think about their opponent, because they are also performing very well, and everybody saw what happened. Everybody watched what happened at Santiago Bernabeu. It was just a 50-50 game, and this time around, it's the time now to think about the UEFA Champions League. It's the time now to think about that, and it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be amazing.